Welcome back to the worst YouTube channel ever. As you can see, we have a very holy muffler. As I started inspecting and learning a little bit about my bus, realized that the exhaust was not even attached. Holes in the muffler. It was time to take care of this, see if we couldn't get the turbo working a little better, maybe a little better fuel economy. I don't know, according to whether you believe Google or not. I basically copied Ted's Garage, so if you go over, give him a like, subscribe. Ted's Garage, I believe is what it is. And anyway, let's look into see what we did. My next video, I'm going to explain how I wired the hitch. A couple little doodads that I learned so we can get on the road with that guy. Y'all stay tuned. Up next, we are going to put a new muffler on Gus. Also got gifted a spare transmission. All right, if you pull this panel off, you can see where the downpipe comes in. This was originally attached, or actually not attached, to the muffler. There was about an inch gap, and I'm sure had a little vibration at lower RPMs, and actually kind of went away after I test drove today, mainly because stuff wasn't rattling around. However, put a 90 in band clamp, and let's get under here and I'll show y'all what we did. So this is as I'm mounting it up. There's a bracket over here to your right, and then I put another bracket on the left, welded it to a clamp, put some rubber between the mounts, a little bit of isolation, and boom, here we go. So right there we have a 90 pipe, and then we actually got the tip off the old muffler, cut it off, and welded it. Alright, so I will say this, it was not so much a reduction in volume. Actually, this is supposed to be a medium volume muffler situation, but the bus doesn't roar anymore, so that is really nice. A little quieter, not a ton, but a little bit. So all in all, I would say a win, and hopefully we'll see a little bit of fuel mileage. Supposedly you're supposed to see some fuel mileage out of this thing. We'll see. But hey, give it a like and subscribe. Until next time, hopefully I can do some a little more in-depth. Like I said, I'm the worst YouTuber ever. Step by step is just really hard to document whenever you're trying to figure it out yourself. So, catch y'all later.